morning, all my friends from Hilliers, Coombs, Whiskey Creek, Arrington, Meadowood. I'm here this morning as Susan Pierce, the Parksville librarian, and I'm here with ACRA, Aerosmith Community Recreation Association. How are you, Christine?
I'm great, Susan. Thanks for asking. My name is Christine Stevenson, and I am a recreation coordinator with ACRA. So Susan, I understand that you have a craft for us today.
Yes. So Christine, as I've mentioned in some of our other videos, our theme this month for May is gardening and butterflies. So we already did our story time for gardening, and this is the craft associated with the story time. It's a butterfly windsock. So when you finish making this, you can use it for some of the finger play and movement songs in the gardening story time. So what you need in order to do this butterfly is you need some paper. So I'm going to show you some different colors of paper that I have brought. So some for the butterflies, some for shapes on the butterfly wings. You'll need a toilet roll. You'll need 2 small pieces of pipe cleaner. You'll need some cut up pieces of crepe paper or tissue paper or any other kind of paper. You'll need some yarn or string. And you'll need the template for the butterfly. If you don't have the template, which is found on our website, Christine's holding it up now, then you can also just cut out your own butterfly freehand. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to cut out the butterfly template, just like Christine had shown you. And then you can either use this white butterfly or you can transfer it onto colored paper. Then you're going to take your toilet paper roll and you're going to put your colored paper around it. And then you're going to place 2 hole punches in the toilet paper roll, and you're going to weave your yarn through it. This can be a little bit tricky, so if you need an adult's help, you can always ask for it. All right, so then you're going to tie a knot or a bow. And this will be the place that you hold on to the butterfly while you're doing your story time movement songs, or later on you can use it as a wing socket and hang in your doorway or outside. So then you're going to put the tissue, you're going to cut the tissue paper into strips, and then you're going to tape it or glue it inside the bottom of your toilet paper roll. This just gives you some nice movement so that these pieces can sway in the wind or the breeze, or they can sway when you're doing the movement songs. You can make them one color or different colors, whatever you would like. Perfect. That looks very squishy. All right, then you're going to glue, tape, or paste your butterfly onto the front of your toilet paper roll.
I'm going to be using a little tape loop to do this today.
Perfect. Finally, you can embellish or put some more shapes or stickers onto the butterfly wings.
So I have some construction paper pieces that I just taped onto the top part of my wing. And for the bottom part of my wing, I was able to find some butterfly stickers. So I'm just going to take a couple of these and put them on the very bottom of my butterfly. And you could use any type of stickers that you have. You could probably also decorate your wings by drawing or coloring on them.
Great, Christine. I finished my butterfly off with some beautiful colored shapes that I taped on.
Beautiful, Susan. All right, there we go.
Oh, wow. I love your finished product, Christine. That will make such a fun windsock to do in the story time or to hang up after the story time. Thanks for joining me. And thanks to all of our friends in Coombs, Hilliers, Whiskey Creek, Arrington, Meadowood. We hope to see you in our next Storytime segments.